Hey guys, so today's recipe is for the most tastiest falafels ever. You know those ones that are like crunchy on the outside and chewy on the inside? Yes, those ones. We're also going to show you how to wrap your own falafel shawarma, so be sure to watch this entire video to learn how to do both. So you're going to start by taking 2 cups of chickpeas and washing them in a big bowl of water at least 3 times. After they're all washed, just soak them in water and set them aside overnight. You're also gonna need 1/4 cup of parsley, 1/4 cup of cilantro, 6 green chilies, half an onion, 4 garlic cloves, 1 teaspoon salt or to taste, 1 teaspoon pepper, half a teaspoon of baking soda, and 1 pita bread or a regular slice of bread if you don't have pita bread. After the chickpeas have been soaking overnight, the next day, wash them thoroughly and pour them into a colander. Put in half of your ingredients into a chopper and blend thoroughly. After you empty that out, just do the same thing with the rest of the ingredients, including the pita bread. Once you've blended it thoroughly, your mixture should look like this. Just combine both of the mixtures in a bowl and check to see if they have a sticky consistency. Now you can do this with a spatula or a spoon, but personally I think it's better to do it with your hands to really see if the mixture sticks together properly. So once that's done, just cover it and set it aside for at least 1 hour. After an hour, you can finally make your falafels. Now you can get creative with this part. Over here, we just rolled them into a ball and kind of just put a little indent mark in the middle, but you can really honestly make them however you want them to look. So yeah, get creative. So once you've rolled your falafels, just heat your oil in a frying pan until it's ready for frying. To check if the oil is ready for frying, you can just put a little piece of falafel in there, and if it gets all bubbly, you'll know the oil is hot enough to fry in. Once the oil's ready, just add in each of the falafels one by one. So just let the falafels fry until they turn brown. A little tip would be to move them around in the oil a lot to ensure that each falafel is fried equally. So as you can see, these falafels are ready and look so delicious, but let's move on to making the falafel shawarma, for which you will need a pita bread with hummus spread across half of it and the other half spread with mayonnaise. Some lettuce, some cucumbers, and trust me on this guys, a boiled egg, yes. Finish it off with some parsley and tomatoes. But obviously, most importantly, the falafels, can't forget that. A little tip, so your shawarma is just as yummy as this one. Press on your falafels like so. Once everything is in there, you can just roll your shawarma and that's it. Now obviously this isn't the only way to make a falafel shawarma. Like for the next one, we just decided to not put a boiled egg but instead top it off with white sauce and hot sauce. Honestly, it just depends on your own preference. Also, a little tip while rolling your shawarmas, try to fold in the end of the pita bread to avoid any kind of leakage from within the shawarma, and cover one end of the shawarma with a paper towel so that it's easier to hold. And that's it. Our falafels are done, and so are our shawarmas. So as you can probably tell, this is such a great falafel recipe, so it would be appreciated if you gave this video a big thumbs up and subscribed for more videos. Share it with your friends, and until next time.